Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel without software. Friends, if you want to convert your PDF file to Excel without any software, then you simply need to open web browser. Now in your web browser you need to open this link. I am providing this link in description also. So after pasting the link, press on enter. Now this online tool is from Adobe, and by the help of this tool you can convert PDF to Excel. Now to convert file you need to select the file, or you can drag and drop PDF file here. I will drag and drop my file. This is my PDF file. I will drop this file here and it has started converting my file. Now my file is ready for download. You simply need to press on this download button to download this file, or you can also edit this file in Excel online, but I will prefer to download this file, so I am clicking download. Now my file is downloaded. And I will open this file. Now my PDF file is converted in Excel. I just show you this file in PDF format also. This is the PDF file. And after converted it in Excel, it look like this. So friends, like this you can very easily convert PDF to Excel without software. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.